Can I paint this in 1 hour? Honestly, I am nervous because I've never painted a rose before, and also I'm only going to be using the primary colors, so there's going to be a lot of mixing involved. All right, guys, here we go. I would be very happy if I can finish this painting in 1 hour. My goal at the 30-minute mark is to have the first layer done. That's already been 11 minutes. I got to go faster. 14 minutes has gone by. I am concerned. I have my doubts. I don't think I'm going to get this done fast enough. I really don't. This is crazy. This is a lot of detail. 21 minutes. I'm supposed to have the first layer of the whole rose done at 30 minutes. That is crazy. I got to pick up the pace. All right, come on. I'm going to give my brush a bad hair day by pinching it, and then I can put in some quick texture right here. Whenever you get nervous about your painting, it's a good time to remind yourself you're just practicing. 27, I do not, oh my goodness. Less talking, more doing. 29 minutes, oh, this is intense. Sometimes you can go fast, and then sometimes you have the hands of a surgeon. I do think the important part of petals, like what you got to pay attention to now that I'm doing this, is the gradients. How light and dark things are, and warm and cool colors. Come on, let's go. Messy hairbrush to create some texture real quick. 46 minutes. Faster. Faster. There's a little bit of yellow I finally get to use right in here. That's beautiful. Bad hair day. Quick textures. Oh my goodness. Okay. What can we do in 28 minutes? Notice how the paint is spreading into the other leaf. That is not cool. That's my fault though, because oh man, 51 minutes. I'm not using black, so to get it really dark, I got to take that blue and add some purple around it. Let it do its thing. Like that, dulls it a little bit. Then we're going to wet this down. So, ooh, look at all that blooms. So the blooms happening. Kind of might keep it. Oh, 5 minutes. Oh my goodness, that's supposed to be green. I'm just going to, right here, panic. Oh my goodness, 4 minutes left. Right now I'm looking for big shapes. This contrast is going to help the rose just pop. Now when we go too fast, we start making a lot more mistakes, which is what I'm noticing I'm doing more of. But usually we're not in some kind of challenge where you have to get it done in 1 hour. So I'm okay with that. See how that bled in there? I can just come in real quick and take up some of that color. Right, let's just knock out. 2 minutes left. Oh my goodness. Okay, want some variety. I don't want the background to just all be the exact same color. Come on, 1 minute. Come on, go faster. It's me talking to myself. Let's go. Come on. No one's gonna want to hang this up on their wall. Come on. Oh my goodness, come on. Let's go. Get the dark right here. 30, come on. Go. All right. No. All right, 1 hour. Well, I wish I had another hour. Hey guys, there's two things I want to say. One, I wish I had one more hour. And two, if you would like to watch this in real time, then join my school community, and I'll see you in the next video.